Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn computer programming language step by step. Choose a beginner language like Python, set clear weekly goals, and commit short daily practice sessions. Break projects into tiny tasks, build one practical project each month, and read code from others. Use interactive tutorials, join a community, and ask questions. Track progress in a simple journal and celebrate small wins to sustain long-term motivation. Pick resources that match your learning style and schedule short, focused sessions each day. Start with interactive exercises, then read concise books and watch tutorial videos to reinforce concepts. Practice by building small projects, refactoring code, and gradually increasing complexity. Use version control, write tests, and review feedback from peers. Stay curious, revisit fundamentals when stuck, and adjust your plan as you improve to maintain. Avoid common traps like learning too many languages at once and copying code without understanding it. Embrace debugging as a learning tool. Read error messages, write tests, and use a debugger to inspect state. Ask for help clearly, show minimal reproducible examples, and learn from feedback. Balance theory with practice and rest regularly to prevent burnout. Keep a learning log with mistakes and solutions to accelerate growth and recall every week.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.